Welcome to the Toddcast, everybody. We're in a little bit of a hurry today because we got to throw these pipes in right here so the water will quit channeling down through here. And then I've got to go haul some stone while Adam covers said pipe up. Let's get to it.
Let's see that superhuman strength.
Yes.
But I'm wondering the same, because that bell end, I mean, it doesn't look big enough to go over it.
It's usually the first rib, but what we can do is put some dirt back this way on this one. Actually, we can go ahead and put that shorter piece on, so I think that must be home, because I was pushing on it. I don't need it. All right.
Okay.
I don't know what all footage Adam got earlier, but I just kind of slicked this area up with the excavator. I'm not very good at slicking gravel with an excavator. I'm much better with a box blade, but did best I could. We got this area swelled in, and you can see that there's still a lot of groundwater coming out from where this had been too flat and slipped toward the house, holding water. It's leaching out. It'll be able to drain from now on. Customer's going to do the finish work on this stuff, so maybe one of these days we'll get to come back by and see how it finished out. We've got everything sloped away. It's just everything's real wet. It's winter time here in the mountains, and that's just how it is. It's always wet. Adam brought us some road bond for the lower section. We'll be back here in a week or two when we get caught up. Customer wants a spring road bond put out through here. She wanted a bunch of road bond up there, but that is road bond. It just got covered with a little bit of dirt. We got a good fall on this pipe. Shame on me. I got a little bit of dirt in the pipe there, but it'll wash right out. Had Adam bring me about 9 tons of road bond. Got it smoothed out in here. May bring my tractor up here and do a real good job. You guys will just have to stick around for the next video to see if that happens. I think we're going out for some barbecue. Got a snowstorm moving in on Sunday. It's supposed to be heavy snow, and I am excited. You excited about the snow?
All thrilled.
And the cold?
Yes. Yeah, cold's all right if it'll snow. I just hadn't seen any in like a decade.
Yes, so we may get some time to do some office type stuff. Thanks for joining us, guys. We love you. Be sure to drop this hillbilly and his sidekick a like and a comment. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. We love you. See you on the next one.